guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am loving my favorite dishes that I love to make, glazed honey salmon with roasted sweet potatoes. This is one of my favorite dishes and I really hope you enjoy this video. So I like to add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over the salmon, and I just really like to marinate everything with sea salt and a few slices of lemon, and then I add my honey on top of it. I also like to add garlic powder, oregano and parsley over it. So I let the salmon marinate and let it soak up all the flavors, and then I put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and then I just carry on with the other side of the cooking. And then it's time for my favorite sweet potatoes. I put it in the microwave for about 5 or 10 minutes just to let it soften. Once the sweet potatoes are soft and tender, I add a bit of parsley and extra virgin olive oil just to give the potatoes a nice crisp to it. Make sure to preheat the oven to 200 Celsius to 400 Fahrenheit for approximately 1 hour. So after the sweet potatoes, it's time to fry the salmon. I add a couple of onions in the pan and then just add the salmon in and just let it sizzle away. So then while I wait for the salmon to fry, I then go in and add parsley sauce mix, which I got from the local shop. Initially I was going to make the parsley sauce homemade, but I did run out of the flour, but maybe next time I'll do it. So then I add the mixture into the pan, and then you can use any type of milk that's your preference, but I use unsweetened almonds. So then I make sure it's mixed well and give it that really nice thick consistency, and make sure there is no lumps, just so I can give it that nice creamy texture. So I also like to have on the side my homemade garlic bread, which is sourdough bread with extra virgin olive oil, garlic powder and parsley, and this just really tastes so nice like garlic bread. So once the salmon is done, you can really see how nice and caramelized the salmon is, mixed with the onions, really gives that nice glazed honey. And I like to turn around the salmon on each side just to make sure it's fully golden. Look how nice and crisp the potatoes look like. They look so delicious already. And then I just go ahead and serve it with the salmon, and then I add some peas to it on the side. So then the best part is to add the parsley sauce over the salmon, and you can really smell the dish already. It just smells amazing. Be sure to check out the recipe through my website. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.